Moments, chapter 15. The second phase is Vietnam. Vietnam is also follows national liberation movement. The background of the Vietnam history, French. The French was ruled by directly in 19th century. The Britishers are also captured our India and turned up into the colonialism. Like that, the French are also captured the Vietnam and turned into the colonial country. In Vietnam, the exports are threefold strategies. The first one, irrigation. Second one, landlordism. Third one, agriculture and marketing. These three strategies are also maintained by the French government in Vietnam. Irrigation land is also occupied by the French people in Vietnam. In Vietnam, the peasants are also suffered by the hands of the Frenchers. And the landlordism is also dominated the peasants, that is main crucial role under the hands of the landlords to the peasants. And they are also looting the products of the peasants. And here the agriculture and marketing, those are also well developed by the selfishness of the Frenchers. But it is not a development to the Vietnam. So these are the main problems for the peasants. In 1931, 2/3 production of the rice and rubber are also exported to other countries, and the Frenchers are also gained on them. Railway network was also started, but it is not for the Vietnams. It is only the selfishness of the Frenchers, like the Britishers in India. The Cochin and Tonkin, these two areas are also very poor areas, turned up of the poor farmers. Some are the bounded laborers handled by the French people. That is only the slavery system. Civiling mission. This is another question for the 10th class students. French people thought Vietnam huge competitive against themselves. The French people are also, the French dictators are also thoughts to development of the Vietnam people for their service. If there is education, there is a lot of the gains by the people of the Vietnam. But after some time, the French people are also against to the Vietnam people. If there is a educated of the Frenches, they are also competitive against to them. So they published some important books from the French language. The French language is glorified, told them to the Vietnamese. The Vietnam teachers and students are also shattered on their books during the studies of the books, and they opposed that the books. In some corners of the Vietnam, the students are also improved with their own mother tongue and visited to all corners of the country and learn some important liberalism and nationalism. Here, the political parties are also arised in 1920. The party of Young Annam, it is only the student party. The Vietnam students are also published one book that is known as the Annamese Students. Okay.